Hello, I'm Yellow and welcome to my channel Hello Yellow. People usually associate Goa with beach parties, all-night raves, casinos, cruises and sundowner cocktails. But having grown up here, I know Goa more intimately. Goa is a land of acceptance. It's a land where culture and freedom blend seamlessly. It's a land where dreams and stories are in abundance. And speaking of recipes, today I will show you what all goes into making a seafood pasta. I'm sure you'll enjoy, so come along. About 30 years ago, there was a scrumptious seafood pasta salad made at a new establishment on a beach in Goa, and a little girl loved it. This little girl was my sister. That establishment was Fiesta, and the seafood pasta salad was one of the first dishes to be made over there by yours truly. So today, let's see what we'll get for our seafood pasta. I need to buy calamari, I need to buy prawns, I need to buy tuna. I'm particularly looking for smaller prawns because those I can actually put nicely into the pasta salad, so not like the really big one, the jumbo prawns, like kind of medium size. Prawns कितना? 450 किलो. 450 किलो. मेरे को आधा किलो चाहिए. Fresh ऐसा? Fresh हाँ. Totally fresh है? मेरे को थोड़ा चाहिए. ना ज़्यादा. या एक बाटी. 150. Aning dai. Sorry, kafi. Mussels. Okay, got it. Me with my Konkani is really bad, so let's see. Thank you. Calamari कितना है? 300. Fresh है? Fresh. नहीं बस हाफ किलो कितना है ये? 150. Now we've got our mussels, our calamari and our prawns and our clams. The seafood pasta salad has since become one of the favorites at Fiesta, and you are about to find out why. Today we are making a seafood pasta salad, one of my first dishes in Fiesta. And Kai is going to help me smoke the tuna, and I'm going to make the pasta and the salad sauce.
So to smoke the tuna, we are using coconut husk. If you don't have that, you can use soaked wood chips. You can just put them in water for about an hour or two and then put it on your fire. It works the exact same. The smoking of the tuna is very, very important, as that is where it gets all of its flavor from.
Okay, so all that I need is fennel, I have got dill, I've got parsley, I've got basil, spring onion, I have got lemon and garlic, and then what is important is the olive oil, I've got apple cider vinegar, mustard, pepper, a little bit of chili powder as well, and I've got sea salt. So let's get started. First I'll chop this up. So I've got also some red cabbage which I'm using as well. It gives a little bit of crunch and the color is lovely. The main flavor in the seafood pasta is the dill. So then parsley. Basil. Basil not too much, just a little basil. And then of course spring onion, which are important. So I'll just cut that off.
Okay, we've got all the tuna now, so we're going to put it to smoke. You want to put it skinned first. You can throw a few drops of water on the fire to make it smoke more, which is what we've done.
Now I'll prepare the prawns. So basically all I want to do is I want to remove the head, and actually I'm removing the entire shell totally, and I'm taking out the inner of this. So that's all that I'm doing. And here, so my prawns are ready. All what you want to do with the calamari, you want to remove the head and all what is inside, and remove this, which is the backbone. And then whatever is in the calamari, all that stuff, you got to just take out and take out that excess skin, so it all becomes nice. Now you have the head, so all I use is only this, and you take out the inner part, so you just have this and this left. So all my calamari are ready. All I want to do is I want to slice them in thin round slices. Okay, so now we've got the clams, we've got the mussels, we've got the prawns and the calamari.
So it's been about 15 minutes. As you can see, all the fat has sort of come off. We're going to flip it now, and look, it's become nice and colored. Oh man.
Okay, so now we are going to make the sauce for our seafood pasta salad. Mustard, then a little bit of apple cider vinegar, pepper, and I always like to put a little bit of red chili powder. This chili is actually grown over here on the farm, and then it's Kashmiri chili which we grow, and then we dried it and Kai powderized it the other day. So that's what I'm using. And of course lemon, and then quite a bit of olive oil that has to go in, and our salt, I'm putting quite a bit of salt in as well, and some garlic. So if you want to make this at home, the entire recipe is in the description. Okay, let me taste a bit. Nice. There's a little less salt at the moment, but I'll mix it up later and then I'll check on the salt later. I'm just pouring this into my mixture of all the herbs. So a small secret I want to tell you is that every time when I boil seafood, especially when it's going to go into salad or anything, I use a little bit of cumin in my salt water when I'm boiling it. That makes the seafood better digestible, and I would always suggest doing that. Okay, I think we are done, and I'm going to mix the pasta now, and all I need to check is later how much salt we need more.
So the fish is now ready. I'm going to just put it on the plate. I turn them once more in the middle. There you go. You want them to be nice and dry, like this. So that's the tuna. So you can see, like, just super soft and, yeah, basically dried out.
Okay, so now we've got to boil the pasta.
So we are lighting the stove right now. Take your cotton, place it nicely inside, and just give it one strong spark, and there it all goes. Okay, fire is now lit.
Okay, so I've got Ashish today with me from Fiesta. That's Ashish. He's going to help me with the stove because that's an old stove. We had it in Fiesta as well. So we've brought it actually over here once we started to modernize our Fiesta kitchen a bit. And I've got it over here in South Goa now. So I'm putting salt in this, and I'm putting sea salt in this as well. The one where I'm boiling the seafood in, I'm putting a little bit of cumin. Any small pasta like macaroni or penne. So now since the pasta is boiling, we will prepare the seafood. First I'm going to boil the prawns, then the calamari, and then the mussels and clams. So now Kai smoked the tuna. Now what I'm doing, I'm like kind of shredding it up into small pieces or breaking it up into small pieces so we can mix it into the pasta salad. This will give a lot of flavor to the pasta salad. I'm looking forward to our pasta salad. We've got the prawns. Over here the mussels and the clams are also ready, so I'm putting them in. Okay, so this is the calamari. They are also finally ready. So I'm just adding them to our seafood salad. Now I'm adding the pasta. And my hands are washed, so I'm going to use my hands to mix it all. Done. Now let me taste. I just need more salt, otherwise it's done. Super. Okay, our seafood pasta salad is ready. I'm going to look for Natalia and her family because they've joined us today. And I'm going to see where Kai is, and then we are going to all eat together.
Every zesty, succulent bite of this salad tastes like a great picnic. It works just as well for potlucks and casual lunches with friends.
Thank you for watching, and please give this video a like. For more recipes, travel stories and Goa's best kept secret, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Hello Yellow Goa. See you very soon on a brand new episode of Hello Yellow.